just pass. You tell me that the river's wide and we are on the darker side, but I can feel a surge within where the synthetic dreams begin. I'll step across the boundary line and make the impossible blueprint mine. They say the current's gonna drag me under. They say the storm is gonna crack the thunder. But I don't care about the crashing tide. I've got the bassline locked inside. I'm stepping off the edge tonight, bathed in the ultraviolet light. Watch the grid expand. Here I go. I can walk on water. I can ride the wave, breaking through the loops that the matrix made. I can walk on water. Watch me clear the floor. Tectonic pressure pushing through the door. Nothing's gonna stop me, nothing's gonna bind. Leaving all the gray and the ghosts behind. I can walk on water. I'm flying free, lost inside the rhythm of the density. Are you ready? Please don't worry or get too lost in what is done. The future should be blurry because what's yet to come.
Take that, you space invader!